So good morning friends, welcome to the first episode of Momos with Moise. Today I have with me Mr. Sanjay Arora, जिन्हें actually BNI की backbone कहा जा सकता है. इनके बिना BNI अधूरा सा रहेगा.
You joke well, Moise. Seriously.
So Sanjay sir, you are the first one to join BNI. What was your initial reaction to it? Did you ever thought that it would be so big in Nagpur और इतने जल्दी इतने सारे chapters launch हो जाएंगे?
I'll tell you, actually, you know what? I had attended a BNI chapter in Dubai, and that chapter is far larger than our own chapter. And there are many more chapters in Dubai apart from the one that I attended. So I knew how big BNI is nationally, internationally. Before joining, I was very sure what I was getting into.
So Sanjay sir, my next question is, there are so many networking groups and you are part of many groups. Then why BNI?
Well, I joined other social organizations. Their objectives are very different. Like, for example, I'm a Rotarian. The Rotarian is basically, if you look at Rotary, it's not for networking alone. It is more for serving the society. This BNI is a pure networking organization focused on only one thing. There is no social service, there's nothing else except for business. So you know everyone joining is joining with that one objective in mind, that I have to network to develop my business and the business of my colleagues around me. So that's the whole focus of BNI, and that's what BNI.
Yeah, that is true. So did you ever think of leaving this group? If yes, then why?
Well, every year when I come up for renewal, my membership comes up for renewal, I think of leaving it. And every year, the love of fellow members holds me back.
Actually, that is the case with all the fellow members. Every time the renewal comes, they think, continue karna hai ki nahi karna.
Yeah.
But somehow we tend to renew it.
Yeah, that's habit. I believe that's a very natural tendency. At the end, when your renewal is due, you feel that, am I really finding the time? Is it really helping me? Is the money really worth it that I'm giving out? And then you think, yeah, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा तो पैसा है, but इतने सारे लोगों का प्यार है, and then they call you up personally and they tell you, no, you are not leaving, you can't leave, etc. And then you hold back. So that's how the story has been.
Okay. Sir, how to get more out of this online BNI meeting? Are there any advantages of these meetings?
Online, I believe, in certain aspects, is more powerful than even your physical meetings. One, you don't have to prepare much for online meetings, and you can ensure that your visibility is, not hindered by what you are wearing, etc. In online meetings. And also, the chat box is constantly working, it's rolling. And lots of people don't know this. There are a few who understand the power of the chat box along with Zoom. And if you can constantly keep, it does show up on your screen each time, And each time you write something and it shows up, that's visibility. And BNI has taught us one thing, if there's anything else.
Ease of attending the meeting is also...
Definitely, yes. Like I am conducting free yoga classes at Chitnivus before this meeting. Exactly 8 o'clock, that part gets over. And from there itself, I log on. Half the times I've done my own 10-second or 30-second from my car. So it gives you so much more flexibility. You don't have to dress up, get up early and come there for the physical meeting. Yes, it does provide. And एक चीज मत भूलो, बहुत important. 700 रुपए बचते हैं हमारे. तो वो भी एक बड़ा amount हो गया है पिछले 7 महीने. Right? So that's another advantage.
Yes. So Sanjay sir, one of the core value of BNI is lifelong learning. Do you feel that there is still something to learn from BNI? Like you are already on such a position, such a level that things could get repetitive for you?
I'll tell you, I don't know how you figured this out. You've got my favorite value there, lifelong learning. I don't know whether you are aware. I finished my PhD just 3 years ago, at the age of 54 and a half in fact. So I have only one statement answer for this. Either you're learning or you're dead. Okay, there is no in between. If you're not learning, you've stagnated, and stagnation for a human being is death. So you learn every single day. I'm learning from you right here sitting with you, Moise, believe me.
Frankly speaking, sir, your presence gives us the learning which we want.
All this is all I know, I understand all that. But the point is, if you are, in fact last year, I went for a 5-day workshop of learning for BNI to Ahmedabad. So there is no end to learning. As I said, the day you stop learning, you are dead, period.
So friends, this was today's slot. And Sanjay sir is always awesome. So please chat box में बताइए कैसा लगा ये जो format है वो continue करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए. Thank you.
Thank you, Moise.